Let's jump into this explainer on the Guidra method. It's a genius system to engineer your next career breakthrough. If you're a professional between 25 and 40 secretly feeling miserable despite your success, this blueprint gets you unstuck. Every transition starts right here in the baseline section, identifying your core, non-negotiable values driving major decisions.
Next up, we uncover your E-codes. These are sneaky limiting beliefs running like background scripts, secretly holding you back.
A huge E-code blocker causing that quiet misery? The nagging feeling of, man, I can't disappoint my parents.
Or, here's another heavy E-code, keeping you trapped, thinking you're literally too old to switch at 35.
But here's the kicker. Just naming these hidden blockers immediately shatters their paralyzing grip over you. It's wild.
Enter N-codes. These are empowered master archetypes with fresh behavioral patterns that completely rewire your internal script.
Look at how directly this transforms a limiting blocker into a crystal-clear, actionable archetype ready for liftoff.
You know, this three-step architecture seamlessly moves you from internal discovery to taking concrete external action with total conviction.
Now, to actually execute this new mental software, Guidra pairs you up with your dedicated AI coach.
Unlike generic bots, this AI remembers your baselines, spots your specific E-code patterns, and holds your unique context.
So if an old E-code sneaks into your thinking, the AI gently calls it out without making it weird.
This all culminates in a personalized 90-day plan, grounded in your actual life, baselines, and financial reality.
Meaning you finally walk into your next big choice with the exact math, words, and clarity you need.
The system is built and your AI coach is ready. So what are you going to choose to build next?